So I'm finally doing a walk around on the Passport Honda 2021 all-wheel drive. So as we go to its tail lights and the bottom, it's a plastic, of course, a diffuser. We go to the side, it's all-wheel drive. The badge is right there. On the trunk, yeah, I got lost. I got used to the old ones. This one's in the bottom. So there it is. Open up the trunk. Look at that space. When the seat goes down, there's a lot of space, guys. You could put a queen's mattress in there. That's the power outlet. And from the back, it's very spacious. That's the button to put the seats down, the rear seats. And then you got some storage on the right and left side. And when you pull this liner up, you'll see more storage area. And yeah, you can put yeah, I think that's the only storage area I saw here. But the trunk is big, of course, a CRV. As we come down to the side, the passenger side, see these enormous wheels, really good looking. The interior is pretty clean. And it's pretty basic, but I like the cup holders on the side. And the seats are leather, very comfortable. We go to the see in the middle section and to the right we got two USB ports for charging in the back, the vents for AC or cooling, heating, whatever. Got some space. And then we got the for the window if you want to sleep or something, like a shade. And it's really good quality, doesn't get stuck or anything. It was really easy to adjust, comes up and down really smoothly. And that's the entry, keyless entry. Side mirrors. You got LEDs on the side mirrors for signal. And when you go inside, you got the auto window, coming down. Same thing with the seat adjustment. It's motorized. That's how the front dash looks like. Pretty simple. You got the USB port and the outlet. It's a good lighter port. This is your space. This one slides back and forth instead of pulling it up. There's nothing there. That's really good. It's a plastic piece, just a nice finish on top. And you got cup holders. And just small storage there. It's heated seats. And then you got all the cooling system here. And it heats whatever satisfies you or keeps you comfortable. That's the storage we got for the manual to put. That's what the front dash looks like. And then we'll get out and check out the other side. See the front. That's how the front looks. It's a glossy finish, except the bottom is matte. And then at the top you have the sensor for collision and assistant, lane assisting, all those safety features. Now we come back to the driver's side. The guest tank is on the driver's side as well. Come here, you got 3 sets of memory, comfortable positions, whatever, which way you want to sit. And trunk and gas buttons, the hood, you got eco mode,